Everybody, please like this video. I'm trying to adhere to the YouTube guidelines and make fun videos. Here's why old money is better than new money, or nouveau riche. Here's a fun fact CNN and Obama will never tell you. Millionaires come and go. Depending on who you are, you could be worth $30 million today or be broke tomorrow. I'm sorry, let me allude to the real story. You could be worth $70 million today and run through it within a couple of years. But this is mainly only people who are nouveau riche. Obama is nouveau riche. Maybe you don't know what old money and nouveau riche actually means. Let me say this. All of Obama's speeches about the rich actually was about the nouveau riche, which included himself. Obama's nouveau riche. In fact, Obama took office being worth only $1 million. This by itself was dangerous in my mind. But let's not digress. He's only worth $11 million now. He was worth $20 million when he left office, which means Obama could be broke in a matter of years. Let's just say, if you're worth around $200 million, you're in danger of being a stat. You see, the new rich aren't established. Their home isn't paid for. Their cars aren't paid for. And there is a pervasive sense of dread that they could lose all of their money. New rich are new. They just got their money. This is mainly entertainers, and generally speaking, they have no idea how to handle or keep their money. That reminds you of anybody like me? Tremendous shopping sprees and elaborate trips, and paying for all their entourage of friends to go with you is one sign of the new rich. Remember the story of the MC Hammer, who paid out all of his millions to his friends and is now broke? That's a new rich story. Also, the new rich are reckless, mainly because they're mostly young. Now, old money is generational money. Even so, it's usually third generation money to be considered old money. If you're still rich from inheriting from your great-grandfather, you're considered old money. Usually, old money lives in houses that have names. The house itself has a reputation. It may or may not be a castle. There's normally a family home that everyone can call home and to which everyone returns. You can have multiple generations living in the home, or you can have a huge property that sons and daughters build their home on, so that the money is conserved and perpetuated. And that's the key to old money, is that you continually conserve the wealth and that the wealth is perpetuated through the generations. Old money isn't surprised by money. They're also not really concerned with losing the money. That being said, there have been billionaires who have lost their wealth. Now, if you want to know why that is, leave a like and leave a comment below. Again, this is mostly new money. You can have an old money family slowly lose their wealth, or a branch of the family lose its money due to bad decisions. But mainly old money will always be. Mainly due to the insane amount of money that they have made and keep making. Old money is normally not heard of, nor seen, because they're not wild, they don't go on shopping sprees, and they're not wrapping Lambos around trees in the countryside. And speaking of which, this is why you keep hearing about new rich stars in accidents. Old money would have a driver. I heard one young starlet say she didn't want a driver because she wanted to be free to go wherever in her car. Old money has wisdom behind it. If they go shopping, it's not like everyone else does. A lot of times, they may attend a fashion show and go behind the scenes and pick out a couple of pieces in person, or they have them come to the house and privately view pieces, depending on how famous they are. They might even shut down a store for you to shop in. Royalty, however, has stuff picked out for them, and they are never seen in the same clothing out in public. It was a shock to see one of the princesses wear the same dress twice recently. General public comments all said, "What's so shocking? She wore the same dress twice. It's called wearing clothes." But what they don't understand is most times dresses they wear is then donated at auction to go to a charity they like. So quite often they don't even have these clothes. There is a downside to old money, mostly that their entire life is all picked out for them. Not just your wife, but everything. And when you become head of the household, you do this picking yourself for the entire family to preserve the entire lifestyle. What's funny is that although the new rich might be able to afford the lifestyle, the two, old money and new money, do not mix. Imagine putting in an energy to meet some rapper only to find out he's in jail in 3 months. Or worse, in 6 months, he's broke. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for listening. I'm still very sick. I came out of my house to put the dog out and people stood in shock. They were like, "You're here." And I was like, "Yes, I'm still here. I'm very sick. Please don't come closer." I was going to put a quarantine sign around the house. I was thinking about it. Somebody else did that too. The entire place is sick. So if you're a skeptic, wish me to be better. If you're a religious person, pray for me to be better. Thank you.